Hello and welcome back to my vlog. I think we're going to do a two-parter today and tomorrow from Hell's Kitchen, Dr. Joel Wallach and Ma Lion. And this is about minerals and supplementation. There are three basic types of minerals. They are not of equal size or biological value, and size does matter. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals include eggshell, oyster shell, calcium carbonate, limestone, coral calcium, dolomite, inorganic mineral salts, seawater, Great Lake saltwater, mineral oxides, i.e. iron oxide, copper oxide, etc., vortex waters, seabed minerals, soils, which are usually clay, seabed clays, rock flowers, and various antacids, such as rolaids and tums. Typically, metallic minerals are found in tablets and powders as gluconate, calcium gluconate, zinc gluconate, etc., lactate, sulfates, carbonates and oxides, iron oxide, etc. Metallic minerals, despite wild claims to the contrary, are only 8 to 12% biologically available to younger animals and humans. After attaining the age of 35 to 40 years, the availability of metallic minerals plummets to 3 to 5%. A typical metallic mineral supplement, either alone or as part of a multiple, is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate can be purchased in 1,000 milligram tablets or capsules, i.e. coral calcium, limestone, eggshell, oyster shell, etc., which breaks down to 400 milligrams of metallic calcium and 600 milligrams of carbonate. Two 1,000 milligram calcium carbonate capsules or tablets do not give you 2,000 milligrams of calcium. They only give you 800 milligrams of elemental calcium, and at a 10% availability rate, you net 80 milligrams of bioavailable calcium. Therefore, to get 2,000 milligrams of usable calcium from a 1,000 milligram capsule or tablet of calcium carbonate, you would have to take 25 capsules each day. A 100 capsule bottle of calcium carbonate will therefore only last 4 days. Amounts of metallic calcium in a 1,000 milligram tablet. I'm reading a table here to you. So calcium source, milligrams available. Calcium gluconate, 90. Calcium carbonate, 400. Calcium acetate, 230. Calcium citrate, 210. Calcium lactate, 140. Cow's milk, 1,000 milligram fluid, 10. Chelated minerals. Chelated minerals were an invention of the livestock industry. In the 1940s, the livestock industry, to ensure maximum availability of dietary and supplemental minerals fed to livestock being fattened for market, created a new form of minerals. The original chelating agent used was calcium EDTA, a man-made amino acid that was created by the Germans just prior to World War II to antidote arsenic and lead exposure in chemical warfare attacks. Calcium EDTA is used today for intravenous chelation therapy to open up obstructed arteries. The term chelated from the Latin literally means claw, but in more modern times it is used to describe the process by which an amino acid, protein, or enzyme, enzymes are proteins that do work, is wrapped around the mineral molecule, which enhances the bioavailability of the metallic mineral. Chelated minerals are approximately 40 to 65% bioavailable, a 400% increase over the availability of metallic minerals. Certainly, a significant improvement over the amounts of elemental minerals absorbed. Chelated minerals are easily recognized on the label of a multiple vitamin mineral supplement or freestanding calcium supplement, such as selenomethionine, chromium picolinate, or sometimes as an amino acid chelate. Colloidal minerals. Colloidal chemistry, while not a new concept, is not widely known about or understood by the general public. Simply said, a colloid refers to a substance that exists as ultrafine particles that are suspended in a medium of different matter. The colloidal state is the state of a solute, mineral, or other substance, such as a paint pigment, in a solution when its molecules do not separate into atoms, as with a true solution. Sodium chloride, or salt, separates into separate sodium and chloride atoms when in solution. But rather, the colloidal particle remains grouped together to form solute particles. The presence of these inorganic colloidal particles, which are approximately 1/100,000th to 1/10,000,000th of a centimeter in diameter, about 400,000ths to 4/1,000,000ths of an inch, can often be detected by means of an electron microscope. As a result of the grouping of the molecules, a solute in the colloidal state cannot pass through a suitable semi-permeable membrane and gives rise to negligible osmotic pressure. They will pass through filter paper. depression of freezing point, and elevation of boiling point effects. These ultrafine particles of the colloid are just barely larger than most molecules and are so small that they can't be seen with the naked eye. About 1 billion of these colloid particles would fit into 0.01 cubic inch. The solution part of a colloid provides a solid, gas, or liquid medium in which the colloid particles are suspended. The suspended particles in a colloid can also be a solid, a gas, or a liquid. In 1925, H. Freundlich classified solutions into 3 categories. 1. True solutions. 2. Colloidal solutions. 3. Emulsions and suspensions. The 4-part method of classifying solutions is as follows. 1. Identify particle size. 2. Determine presence of Brownian movements, random movement of particles suspended in liquids or gases resulting from the impact of molecules of the fluid surrounding the particles. 3. Ability to pass through filter paper. 4. Level of solubility. In 1975, S.S. Voyotsky, a Russian, wrote the classic text on colloidal chemistry. Voyotsky referred to solutions as molecular dispersion systems and heterogeneous, highly dispersed colloidal systems. The exact point between the molecular and colloidal degrees of dispersion cannot be established because the transition from molecularly dispersed systems to coarsely dispersed systems is a continuum. A colloidal system must have 3 basic characteristics. 1. It must be heterogeneous, consists of dissimilar ingredients or constituents. 2. The system must be multiphasic, i.e. solid, liquid, gas, liquid, etc. 3. The particles must be insoluble, do not dissolve in the solution. And there we'll stop for today. Finish up with colloids tomorrow and humic shale. That's the one that I'm eager to get to. So once again, it's from Hell's Kitchen. And make it a great day. Bye for now.